This JMP demonstration shows how to publish interactive reports to JMP Public. JMP Public is a website where JMP users can publish interactive JMP reports for anybody to explore in their web browser. It's based on JMP Live, JMP's web-based platform for knowledge sharing and collaboration. To share results on JMP Public, start from the JMP report or reports that you'd like to publish. Go to File, Publish, Publish Reports to JMP Public. Note that you'll be prompted to sign in with a SAS profile account if you haven't done so previously. If you don't have a SAS profile yet, you'll have the option to create one. We've previously signed in, so the next step is to select which reports we want to publish and choose to create a new JMP Public report or replace an existing one. Next, choose the location for the report by selecting an existing folder or creating a new one. After that, provide a title and description for the report. And under Advanced, select whether you want to publish your data table along with the report. If you choose to publish data, you'll be prompted to specify whether you'll publish a new data table or use or update a data table that's already been published to JMP Public. Finally, click Publish to publish the report. You'll be presented with a confirmation screen that includes a link to the report at public.jmp.com. JMP Public reports can be viewed by anyone, and they contain much of the interactivity of that same report when it's viewed within JMP or JMP Pro software. Viewers can view details of the report, download any data published with the report, comment on the report, share or embed the report, and more. To delete your report, select Delete Post from the three-dot menu. Note that JMP Public is a public platform, so don't publish anything that's not suitable for public distribution. For more information on JMP Public functionality, see the JMP Help.